And man, isn't this just a beautiful sight right here, folks? You got the big DeWalt world all set up here at Costco. So they got in more of these 8-gallon stainless steel vacuums. And I am happy to report that these are $20 off down to $73.99. The last time we ever saw it this close in price was one of the Black Fridays about 3 or 4 years ago when it was down to $69. But we haven't seen that price in years here. So to get it this close, just within reach of that price is really good. I bought this one here a couple of years ago, and I can tell you I love this vacuum. The fact that it's metal here is really nice. Big power switch right there. See that? They say that this one here is 58% quieter. And also on sale here is their 16-inch benchtop or hanging fan. So this fan right here, there it is, the size compared to my hand, as you can see, is an incredible price right now too. So I could just come and stare at this wall of yellow all day long, folks. Because you know me, DeWalt is one of my favorite tool brands, them in Milwaukee. And then over here, these are the Lasco super fans. These are great to put on the floor, like if you had a water leak on your floor or something. And what I like about this, I haven't seen it this low in price since probably 2018 or 2019. So these have always been like $59.99 for like the past 5 years. So this one is good until May 31st on this Costco flash sale. This is a great fan to have, even if you want to set it up on your table and just give some airflow in your garage, or set it down on the floor and blow away water that was leaking somewhere. And it even comes with a couple of extra outlets, which I like. Now this is what I really love right here, because here you got the BE power equipment made in the USA, 3,400 PSI and 2.5 gallons per minute. Just about as good as you're gonna get without going into a super high-end 4,000 PSI machine. And this one right here, look, it's $80 off on a flash sale, down to $319.99. Holy cow. Love this, love this, love this. Right here. These are the power built ratchet tie downs. Now, I just helped somebody move, and I was embarrassed at the crappy little tie downs that I had, and one of them couldn't even reach over the top of the SUV to tie a mattress. So, and then look at the size of this handle on here too. I like these big ones. Gives you a lot more leverage when you're trying to ratchet something really tight. So look at this, you're getting 4 of these with 3,300 pound brake strength on these, 1,100 pound workload. But even better is, look at this. See, this is a Death Star deal, folks. Dun, 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 dun. So Darth Vader would be proud of this one. I can't put the Star Wars theme song on there anymore. Every time I've tried it in the past, YouTube would flag it for copyright. But look at this. When you see that 97, you know it's the manager's marking this thing down and they're clearancing these out. This is an incredible score to get such a massive, rugged set like these. And what I like even better too, next to this, for those of you that do electrical, here's a roll of 12-2. Now I've showed you this before when these first came in. This was the first time that Costco ever had Romex electrical cable in. This is the wiring behind your walls. Now this is 12-2, so this is for the electrical outlets. Okay, the lighting would be the white wire with the 14-2. Now look at this. I think these were $249 when they first came in. So again, another Death Star deal at that $199.97 price tag. Anytime you see it ending in 97, you know that's a clearance, folks. Clearance. And then check this out. You've got the Octo Grip. These are the 18 gauge nitrile coated gloves right here, work gloves. It's a 6-pack of these gloves. And these two are being jettisoned, but $2 off down to $8.99. This one's good until May 26th here in our store. This is a Costco flash sale item. So your mileage may vary as to whether it's in stock or even on sale at your particular Costco, because this is not in the members coupon book. And then check this one out. So we have the Keter. This is their ultimate workbench right here. Now this one doesn't fold like my DeWalt one does, but you know, at this price, this is half the price of my DeWalt. So look at this, it's $10 off on this flash sale. This is only good until May 10th, so you're gonna have to check in your area. Like sometimes they expire in my area and they'll show up somewhere else at another store later. So again, your mileage will vary on this type of a flash sale here. And then at this Costco here in Coral Springs, Florida, the flash sale is still ongoing for the Greenworks lawnmower kit, and of course the blower and the trimmer combo kit as well. So look at this. So you still have $100 off the mower, and you still got $50 off the combo kit, and this is good until May 25th. So this is not in the regular members flyer. This was just a flash sale that may or may not be going on at your particular Costco as well. Costco has also just gotten these in too. You've seen the Scrub Daddy sponges. Well, guess what? Now they have the Barbecue Daddy, and this is the Mac Daddy of all of them right here. This is the Steam Cleaning Grill Scrubber Value Pack. 4 tools in one. So there's your bristle-free right there. And it looks like it has a very good ergonomic functioning design built into it. And you know, a few years ago, I heard them saying that this was the #1 product ever on Shark Tank. That's how these guys got started. They were on Shark Tank. And they were the best performing, highest selling product ever from that show. And here you see, $26.99. They just came in this week. And those of you looking for some fun in the sun and a little shelter from that bright sunlight this summer, you can get this giant 13 by 13 canopy. Now, you know, sometimes the canopies are 10 by 10 or 11 by 11, but this is a good size 13 by 13. And good luck going into any camping store and getting a canopy like this at this price for $119.99. I haven't seen a price like this since, like, I don't know, 2010. I've bought a few of them over the years, and it was usually around the $150 price, what I've always paid. And so I have 2 at home, and then these, of course, come in the nice carrying case right here with 2 handles. I keep these stored in my deck box outside. Here's the Fiat Electric 15-inch flush mount with the edge-lit nightlight. So this is pretty cool. This could go either in a bedroom or in a hall or in a dining room, anywhere you want. But look, see the edge light right there. Yeah, see, there's your night light right there. And so this is $5 off down to $16.99. And you will never, ever, ever walk into Lowe's or Home Depot and find a ceiling light LED like this that's this low priced ever. Especially where this one has 1600 lumens on it, and it only consumes 23 watts. And by the way, speaking of lights, if you haven't seen my video that I uploaded a few weeks ago on installing that incredible hex lighting in your garage, all for under $100, I'll put a link to that in the video description below and also in the end screen for you. Hey, and the Kohler Semi-Pro kitchen faucets are back on sale again today. So here you have 2 flavors. You got the stainless steel, or you've got the matte black. And these are $75 off down to $124.99. And Costco also has the Artica Sonolock acoustic wood panels on sale. I might try to get some of these one day. I could swear I've seen a few other YouTube influencers with these behind them on their desk, you know, when they do their podcasts and live streams. But anyway, $15 off here, down to $34.99 for these wood panel sets. So it comes with a pack of 4 of them. This is just about 15.5 square feet total. Oh, and holy cow, you remember this here? I just showed you this a month ago when I bought this, and I paid, I think, $750 for it, and they're already getting $900 here at Costco for these. This is that 10-ounce, the Pamp Lady of Justice silver bar. Mine's still sitting on eBay waiting to be sold. And for those of you who don't know whether you want to sit or stand when you work, you can do both. Here's your Trasanti Aurora 47-inch adjustable height desk. And this has LED built into it too. So you can see right in there. So this gives you the opportunity to either sit or stand while you work. Some people like to stand because, you know, your Apple Watch will tell you every half hour it's time to stand. And they give you 7 LED options on this. Let's see, I imagine the height is controlled by this thing. Yeah, right here. See, and it tells you how many inches you are off the floor. So if you were thinking of pouncing on this deal, $100 off, man, down to $199.99, and you have until June 7th. In the continued vacuum wars, Costco's being a little quiet on this one. This is Dyson's V15 Detect. And as you can see, that's what it looks like right there. But this one is on sale right now in this is a flash sale that ends on May 24th. But look at that, $190 off. I think that's the most I've ever seen them take off of a Dyson vacuum here at Costco. And look at this, we have a Death Star deal going on here on this other Dyson. This is the V9 Submarine. I've showed you this one before. This is the wet and dry vacuum cleaner. And look at this, they're down to $249.97 on the Death Star. Hey, and you know what? Costco has these on sale too, but they just didn't put the large sign up next to it, but it is on the price tag. So this is the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Plus, and this one is in the flyer this month. It's $110 off, down to $279.99. And then continuing on with the May savings here at Costco and the home small appliances, here you have the Ninja Slushy Professional Frozen Drink Maker. So you can have the restaurant quality slushies at home in your own kitchen. So you don't need ice, you don't need to blend, no dilution. It just makes the slushy right out of your raw material. And these are currently $60 off, down to $219.99. Hey, you know what? Supposing you're not into slushies, supposing you're into coffee, how about this? You can get the Ninja Dual Brew grounds and pods, hot and iced. So rapid cold brew. So I like that. It handles the best of both worlds. And you'll like this price here too. $30 off, down to $99.99. This is good until June 7th. These Gourmet 8-quart air fryers, these are digital air fryers. They've been very popular here at Costco. And right now, for good reason, because they are on sale, $15 off, down to $44.99. And I keep seeing a lot of people stopping to take a look at this. This is Cuisinart's 26-liter 10-in-1 digital air fryer oven. A lot more higher end oven to do your air frying. And man, this is probably one I would get. It's a little bit higher on the price point too, but man, what an incredible machine. $40 off, down to $149.99. Oh, and these Kohler 47-liter kitchen step cans are on sale again. I just bought one of these in here 2 weeks ago, helping a friend move into a new apartment. And so these hold the 13-gallon trash bags. And I'm going to have to go claw back some money because they just went on sale. See here, $25 off, down to $59.99. Now, Costco has an excellent price match system going on, where if you go back up to the customer service counter and show them that, hey, you paid full price and they're on sale now, you have 30 days to go back up there and tell them. They will refund you the difference. Here's a new item that just came in here at Costco. This right here is the Leisure Line Outdoor Bench. So it's 49 inches long, and what I like about it, this is plastic. It's made out of recycled plastics. So it's never going to rot on you. This will look the same as it does today, 20 years from now. Now these just came in, so they're not on sale yet, but keep an eye out. It's $199 right now. And while we're on the subject of furniture, this right here is the Thomasville Davos Fabric 2-pack. So this is gray fabric chairs right here. They come in this box. And there's your size, 33 inches by 33.5 inches. And this 2-pack of chairs is $369.99. Now if these go on sale, I would imagine they would probably take $50 off. This one's an avocado. This one is big enough to hold a small child in it. See, as you can see, that's how they show it on the box. Looks like they've already sold a bunch of these. These just came in. So this is called the Brentwood Avocado Foam Lounge Chair. And this is $79.99. And then right next to it here are these fruit-shaped decorative pillows. You got strawberries, you got lemons, you got the miniature avocados. You can buy the companion to the lounge chair. And these are $10.99, a steal. And every year Costco usually gets in a set like this from Thomasville. This is their Lowell 6-piece modular fabric sectional. Very nice looking, very classy, from a well-respected name. And this sectional just came in at $1699.99. I imagine it would drop $200 or $300 if it goes on sale. So with summertime lingering on the horizon for us, Costco has already started to get in a lot of the pool stuff. So make sure you come in and check these out. Some of them are on sale, some are not. Some are little flash sales, like the little infant life vests. And you can come in and score deals on the beach towels too. A lot of these flash sales are ending on May 17th. And of course you got all of the backyard pool toys and everything that are just now coming in. And they usually get these in every year too. Man, if you were gonna rent one of these for a party, how about just owning one instead? And then maybe you could rent yours out. Here's your dinosaur cave with the adventure water park, $3.99. And that is that massive structure up there on the right. And then over here, this one could be loads of fun right here. Have your own little runway in your own backyard. This right here is the Whammo Slip and Slide, 32 foot. Right here, constant air slip with a splash zone. So there's what it looks like in operation in the yard. Just make sure your yard is big enough for this guy. Yeah, Costco always sells these Tommy Bahama beach chairs. I always love these. I have a couple at home myself. And now we have the waterproof dry bag. It's a little 20-liter dry bag. See, like this. It's waterproof. And you carry it with you. Like there's an example of it in use right there. And Costco currently has these discounted $5 off down to $14.99. And man, especially here in Florida, it's so important. Everybody here with a pool needs to get their chlorine tabs. They got 3-inch tabs and the shock. So don't forget your shock as well. And get it now while the pallet is here, because all it takes is a week of hot weather and you're going to see this disappear and you won't even be able to find it at all. So the shock, they have $15 off down to $64.99. And the chlorinating tablets are $139.99. Now these are not on sale, but hopefully they will come on sale at some point during the summer. So you can grab one now at full price, and then if they drop the price later, you can go claw back your savings. Dang, and wouldn't you know, a month ago I went into Target and bought a regular tube of Vacation Classic Lotion here at full price, and yet now here they are at Costco on sale, $4 off down to $15.99 for the 2-pack. And this is considered a premium one. Most of the critics like it. It's not the absolute cleanest you could get in terms of, doesn't have any chemicals that you shouldn't have. It has fragrance, so some of the purists aren't going to like it because it has a fragrance. But it is pretty strict here with the Hawaiian Act, the 104 compliant. So that's amongst the strictest in the nation about having chemicals that won't ruin the reefs and things like that. Hey, maybe I'll try this. I liked their little maple chicken sausages that they had. Those were delish. And they're $4 off too. Holy cow, man. Watermelons are in. They had a whole section of them. Yeah, and I thought I would try this out this time here too. This is that same company that makes that other smoked salmon that I buy, but this right here is salmon toppings. So one tray is 25 grams of protein, and if I only need 12 to round off my protein for a meal, I'll just take half the tray. Now I had bought these last time I was here, and these were really, really good. And there's only 3 grams of added sugar for the 2 of them, so hey, not too bad. That's not a deal breaker for me. Oh, and I just ran out of these today, man. These are my faves, the Aussie Bites. I use these for fuel when I'm on my way to the gym. So on days that I'm working out, or if I'm in a bulking up phase, I'll pop 2 of these on my way to the gym. And we'll try this out too and see how these are. I'll report later on the next video. And of course I got the usual suspects here. Organic, not organic this time. And I thought I would pick up another 4 dozen eggs while I'm here. You know, I had 6 eggs for breakfast this morning, so I can go through one of these in less than a week. Remember, 6 eggs, each egg has 6 grams of protein. So 6 of these will give you 36 grams of protein. A good healthy start for your breakfast in the morning. Every meal you eat, you should shoot for 30 to 40 grams of protein.